As I started to grow, there were things I had to do manually. And in doing those things manually, I was probably losing money. My name is Amy Mullaney. I have Sunlight Property Management, LLC, and I am based out of Laurel, Montana. We have about 187 active doors right now, and probably 5 that are needing rented, 6 needing rented, and steadily growing. Tracking the late fees, tracking the NSF fees, the credit card fees, and then they would come into the owner's ledger as an income, and then I would have to manually take them back out to pay us back for those, which then owners would call me and say, hey, what is going on here? It was a lot of manual entries, and as we grew, it's hard to catch those late fees once the tenant finally pays on time. It's absolutely a great decision for our company. It just made so much more sense to me. Of course, it was just stressful because it was new. One full-time property manager that works with me, she is a rock star. She handles most everything that I don't want to handle. But initially, she was really nervous about something new. But once we've got into it, she knows how to run Rentvine better than me. I love the maintenance side. I love that we're able to set up vendors with their emails, their contact information, their phone number. I can assign it to those vendors, the vendors that are willing to sign up for their vendor portal. They can open their work order, accept their work order on their side. They can contact the owners or the tenants, whoever they need to do. Once they're finished, they can complete it on their side. Then they can upload, and then I can go ahead and run it. I don't have to print and scan and forward or anything like that. I usually get responded to within just a few hours. They'll send me a Loom video. If the Loom video is not clicking with me, then I will ask for more information, and they're really quick to get back to me. It's only painful for a little bit.